hard going to the hill, you know. Yeah, it's shorter path, but it's harder. Yeah. Okay, I can't. Yes, I'm not lost, but almost. There's a big cliff there. You can fall down. And there's a big lake. That's about there. And there are some coyote here. It's a very nice park there, with the view like from the cliff, the top of the cliff. Yeah. After work and after all your problems in your life, in my life, you need some place like that, no? Just to forget and, yeah, be one with the nature. When I was younger, I got a mountain bike and I can go there and jump and do crazy stuff, extreme stuff, you know. Yeah, there's no pass for a promenade with a dog. So, if you got some question, you trouble like me for now, lastly, we can support each other, no? Yeah. And sometimes the solution don't come right away, but we have to be patient. And do the best what we can do. Ask, look for, and we will find a way. Yeah, everybody needs a love. For sure, money is important also, but I don't think it will give you happiness. But we need to get some minimum, a place to sleep, something to eat. Yeah, if not, we allow them to steal. That it's not good. And the vengeance that all people that yeah, this is some bad thing for us. Doesn't change nothing in our lives, you know. So this is the way, this is the way. So kind of you go left or right. A nice tree there. Or you can go there. Like that. I think it will go to the beach, the lake. I think I will go to the right. I'll see what's here. Strange trees here. Yes, and the fear. Sometimes it's push you to do something, but it's not good that it push you to suicide and bad choices, decision. You know? They give you a little of adrenaline. Yeah. To fix your problems. In the good way. But there are the bad spirits that they want to use like situation that you don't see exit, a path, a light in your life, and they tempt you to do bad things. Isolation, like COVID did. We need a relationship, friendship, somebody that understands us, and we can give all our problems, troubles. But usually, yeah, if you got a lot of money, you got a lot of friends. Yeah. But if you are in trouble, you have figure out how to get out. You ask for help, and somebody tell you, figure out, you will figure out. But the most important is, do not give up. Yeah, and be patient. Sometimes it's a long time that you have to wait. That everything will be fixed. If not, your life will be boring. Everything fine. You know, the rich people, they got everything. And they looking for something more. You know, narcotics and other stuff. I don't know where I have to go, but I think I'll go straight. Yeah. You love yourself like you are. And after, I mean, you can love others. Yeah. Okay. So now we'll do some break. And yeah, this is part 1. Like motivation speak. Yeah, for myself and you guys. Please share. Yeah, my YouTube channel is call it @symbol altogether OTA839. @symbol like email OTA839. Thank you for your interest. Bye guys, love you.